Australia is a land of diverse beauty and breathtaking landscapes. From tropical rainforests and expansive deserts to stunning coastlines and vibrant cities, the country offers an unparalleled variety of natural wonders and cultural treasures. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or an immersion in nature, Australia has it all. The vastness of this country guarantees that beauty can be found at every turn, from the red sands of the outback to the crystal-clear waters of the Great Barrier Reef. Today we will embark on a journey through some of the most beautiful places in Australia, each one showcasing the nation's unique allure. The Great Barrier Reef, an underwater wonderland. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the northeast coast of Queensland, the Great Barrier Reef is not only one of the most beautiful places in Australia, but also the largest living structure on Earth. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a vibrant underwater ecosystem comprising over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. The kaleidoscope of colors from the coral formations, teeming with marine life, make it an unforgettable destination for divers, snorkelers, and marine enthusiasts. The Great Barrier Reef is home to thousands of species of marine creatures including sea turtles, sharks, dolphins, and the elusive dugong. The vibrant coral gardens provide a haven for colorful fish, such as clownfish and parrotfish, and visitors often encounter the majestic manta rays gliding gracefully through the water. Whether you're diving deep into the reef's rich ecosystems or cruising above the surface in a glass-bottom boat, the beauty and biodiversity of this natural wonder are simply mesmerizing. For those seeking a truly immersive experience, Whitsunday Islands, located in the heart of the reef, are a must-visit. These 74 tropical islands offer pristine white sandy beaches, lush rainforests, and crystal-clear turquoise waters. Whitehaven Beach, with its pure silica sands, is frequently ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the world. Uluru, a sacred and majestic monolith. Deep in the heart of Australia's Red Centre stands Uluru, formerly known as Ayers Rock, one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring landmarks in the country. This massive sandstone monolith rises 348 meters, 1,142 feet, above the surrounding desert, and its striking red color transforms dramatically at sunrise and sunset, shifting from ochre to vibrant orange, and finally to deep red as the sun moves across the sky. Uluru is more than just a natural wonder, it is a place of deep cultural and spiritual significance for the Anangu people, the traditional custodians of the land. Visitors to Uluru can learn about the indigenous stories, legends, and traditions that are closely tied to the rock and the surrounding landscape. One of the most memorable experiences is to take part in a guided tour with an indigenous guide who shares the Dreamtime stories and the ancient history of the land. Kata Chuta, or the Olgas, located just 25 kilometers west of Uluru, is another breathtaking natural formation. This collection of massive rock domes offers visitors an equally magical experience with hiking trails that take you through narrow gorges and valleys filled with desert flora and fauna. The 12 Apostles, a coastal marvel. On the southern coast of Victoria lies one of Australia's most iconic coastal landscapes, the 12 Apostles. These towering limestone stacks rise dramatically from the Southern Ocean along the famous Great Ocean Road, creating a surreal and unforgettable view. Formed over millions of years through the erosion of cliffs by wind and waves, these natural pillars stand as a testament to the power of nature. While there are no longer 12 actual pillars, as several have collapsed due to erosion, the name has stuck, and the site remains just as breathtaking. The contrast between the golden limestone stacks and the deep blue waters of the ocean creates a stunning scene, especially at sunrise and sunset when the light casts a golden glow over the landscape. The surrounding Port Campbell National Park offers several viewing platforms, and adventurous visitors can explore the nearby coastal formations such as Lockard Gorge and London Bridge. The Great Ocean Road itself is a scenic drive winding through coastal cliffs, rainforests, and quaint seaside towns, making it one of the most beautiful road trips in the world. The Daintree Rainforest, an ancient tropical paradise. Situated in far north Queensland, the Daintree Rainforest is the oldest tropical rainforest in the world, dating back over 135 million years. This ancient ecosystem is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet, home to an incredible variety of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Daintree rainforest is a lush green paradise where towering trees form a dense canopy, and the air is filled with the sounds of birds, insects, and the gentle rustle of leaves. The Daintree River winds its way through the forest, and a boat tour along the river offers the chance to spot saltwater crocodiles basking on the riverbanks and colorful kingfishers darting through the air. One of the highlights of a visit to the Daintree is the Mossman Gorge, where crystal-clear waters flow over smooth boulders, creating natural swimming holes surrounded by rainforest. Walking trails allow visitors to explore the forest and learn about the rich indigenous heritage of the Kuku-Yalanji people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The Daintree is also the gateway to Cape Tribulation, where the rainforest meets the reef. Here, you can stroll along secluded beaches where the dense jungle seems to spill directly into the turquoise waters of the Coral Sea. It's a place of untamed beauty where two of the world's greatest natural wonders converge. Just a short drive from Sydney, the Blue Mountains offer a tranquil escape from the city and a chance to immerse yourself in Australia's natural beauty. Named for the blue haze that hangs over the eucalyptus forests, the Blue Mountains are known for their dramatic cliffs, deep valleys, and cascading waterfalls. The most famous site in the Blue Mountains is the Three Sisters, a trio of sandstone rock formations that stand tall above the Jameson Valley. The legend behind the Three Sisters tells the story of three sisters who were turned to stone by a sorcerer to protect them from harm, and the formation is now one of the most photographed landmarks in Australia. Scenic World, located in the town of Katoomba, offers thrilling ways to experience the Blue Mountains, including the Scenic Skyway, a glass-floored cable car, and the Scenic Railway, the steepest passenger railway in the world. For nature lovers, the Blue Mountains are crisscrossed with hiking trails that take you through temperate rainforests, past waterfalls like Wentworth Falls, and along cliff edges that offer panoramic views of the valleys below. Tasmania's Cradle Mountain, a wilderness wonderland. Cradle Mountain is one of the most beautiful and unspoiled wilderness areas in Australia, located in Tasmania's Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park. The jagged peaks of Cradle Mountain rise above tranquil glacial lakes and alpine meadows, creating a landscape that feels both ancient and serene. Visitors to Cradle Mountain can explore a variety of walking trails, from short strolls around Dove Lake to multi-day hikes on the famous Overland Track, which takes you deep into the heart of the Tasmanian wilderness. The park is also home to a wide variety of wildlife, including wombats, wallabies, and the elusive Tasmanian devil. The changing seasons bring different kinds of beauty to Cradle Mountain. In spring and summer, the meadows are filled with wildflowers, while in autumn, the foliage turns brilliant shades of orange and gold. In winter, the snow-capped peaks and frozen lakes create a magical, otherworldly scene, the Kimberley a remote and rugged frontier. Located in the far north of Western Australia, the Kimberley region is one of the most remote and spectacular wilderness areas in the country. With its vast red deserts, dramatic gorges, and towering waterfalls, the Kimberley is a land of rugged beauty and untamed adventure. One of the most iconic sites in the Kimberley is the Bungle Bungle Range in Pernalulu National Park. These unique beehive-shaped rock formations, made of sandstone and conglomerate, rise up from the surrounding plains and create a surreal and striking landscape. A helicopter tour over the Bungle Bungles offers an unforgettable bird's-eye view of this geological wonder. The Mitchell Falls, a four-tiered waterfall in the remote Kimberley wilderness, is another breathtaking sight. The hike to the falls takes you through ancient rock art sites and lush tropical forests, with the reward of seeing the cascading waters plunge into the deep pools below. For those seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, the Kimberley offers an unparalleled sense of isolation and a chance to connect with the raw, untamed beauty of Australia's outback. Australia is a land of extraordinary beauty, where every corner of the country offers a unique and awe-inspiring experience. From the underwater marvels of the Great Barrier Reef to the towering monolith of Uluru, from the lush rainforests of the Daintree to the rugged wilderness of the Kimberley, Australia's diverse landscapes are a testament to the power and majesty of nature. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with the natural world, the most beautiful places in Australia offer something for everyone. These breathtaking sights are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a reminder of the rich cultural and ecological heritage that makes Australia one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.